Hello everyone, and today we're playing Starbirds, the full game this time. Here we go. Let's see. Trying to get the fruit. Alright, well, here we go.
There's no place like home. And for our beaky friends, it's the yellow dwarf star Sublina, which has illuminated this system with its warm and peaceful light for billions of years. Perfect conditions for life to evolve into a spacefaring civilization. Now, these birds stand on the edge of a new frontier, launching a daring mission. A remote asteroid field where infinite riches and the unknown await in equal measure.
Okay. Interesting. So, like last time, I'm assuming the eggs are like cryo things or something. So, they will just wake up anytime. Get out of my chair. Yes, that's mine. Gather around, flock. Hear me out. We got a great mission begin soon. Should be some good squeaking. I know it's today we embark on a journey once for all the good of bird kind. We have risen from mere ground pickers who warm themselves with idle wings to proud tree dwellers, and the horizon always in sight. But today we venture beyond that. Our goals is the endless plains of space. Our aim is its treasure, iron silicon. That's a mighty fine speech and all, Captain. But what's our actual mission here and now? Alright, we're up. Actually, we need to make a quick stop to fill up on supplies before we can continue. Okay, everyone, let's get to work. Good hustle. Hatched. Not the red button. Cryo egg got cooked. Start by getting a quest. Let's enter this asteroid. Done this before in the demo, so let's land here. Oh, weed. Let's do this spot. Ooh, actually, that was a really good spot. Ah. Add more of them. You can destroy this one and build it like right here on the edge so we can add a second one. Oop. There we go. For better efficiency. Okay, fair enough. Build it like on the opposite side, like right here. We got a big spot right here. There we go. Living quarters. Second asteroid. Flying right here. Seems like a good spot. Ooh. I see a lot of money stuff. Oh, oh yeah. Rover. Just send it to find these things. It will find its way eventually. There we go. Now we're pumping all the resources. Fill up our oxygen tanks. Okay. Now we need to make, well, we gotta research a refiner. We have a refiner. Okay. I'll put the water thing here. Refiner here. And we're out of credits again. There we go. And now we have oxygen. Oh, there we go. Excellent flock. All these materials stocked and our machines fixed up. Should be a smooth journey to our next destination. I recalibrate our device and improve the percentage of our trajectory in calculations by. Damn, my math's correct, and I believe that is. Space exploration is about math. Gotta expect the unexpected. Trust your gut. You're being smashed by asteroids? Ruster, joking. Yeah, let's put the math to work then. Flock to the stars. Hatched. On to the next. Ooh. Complete sector under 3 minutes and 35 seconds? Okay. 20, score 20. Stay here. How do we get a... Oh, we need... Let's get a park going. Get an engine room going. Get some more research in. Let's do a lab. Living quarters done. Oh, we just need more copper. We need to produce more things. Place one right here. Get some more copper going. Never gonna have too much copper. That going. Oxygen is done. We now just need iron. So we gotta go back to this asteroid. Very small iron spots. There is not that much iron. only like one iron spot in the whole ass. Okay, there's another one right here. Gotta max produce it. Oh, it's going. There we go. Reach a score 20 in Sector 1. Let's complete Sector 1 in 3.5 minutes. Let's speed run this. Okay, go, 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 go. There we go. We did it. Space Falcon. And let's just get all the possible resources we can by literally just dredging everything out. Okay, that's that metal tone. There's a lot over here. That's not gonna work. Oh. So I can just put it right here. There. Let's get some more money going. There we go. Now I just need the other asteroid. And this one's the much smaller asteroid. Right here, give us some space. You gotta mine every single resource. Alright, copper's down. Just need water and oxygen. Which is kinda hard. This asteroid is already really small. Any more possibly available spots? Right here could work. It's very cramped, but we might be able to make it work. There we go. Okay, can remove this here. Have another copper one. Oh, there we go. Okay, now it's just oxygen. Alright, Sector 2, a strange discovery. Getting strange reading from this sector. Looking at the anomaly. I'm scared, I'm not afraid of rocks. Alright, I'll continue this next time, so see you guys later.